Monday, April 8th, 2024, 11:09 a.m. We are inside a conference room located within the law offices of Todd and Weld, located at 1 Federal Street in Boston. I'm Detective Captain Eric Benson with the Massachusetts State Police. I'm joined here today by...
Good morning, Captain George Barrios, Mass State Police.
Conducting an audio and a video recorded interview with... Could you please say your name?
Trooper Michael Proctor, Proctor.
And you're joined today by your attorney. Could you please identify yourself?
Sure. Michael DiStefano, Distefano.
Thank you. And so, just to sort of be clear, it was explained to you by your attorney that this is a voluntary interview, that this is not a compulsory interview. We're not compelling you to be here or to talk to us through a personnel investigation mechanism.
That's correct, sir. It's just voluntary.
Okay, thank you. And you're agreeing to speak with us voluntarily without union representation?
Yes, sir.
It was explained to you that you had the ability to have union representation here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you've declined that?
I have, sir.
All right. Do you have any questions? Well, actually, before we get to that, have we ever had any extensive interaction throughout our careers that you're aware of?
No, sir.
That's my memory as well. In fact, I don't really ever have a memory of encountering you at all prior to today.
Yeah,
am I wrong there?
No, I believe this is the first time we've met, sir.
Okay. And Captain Barrios?
Yes, likewise. This is the first time I'm meeting Trooper Proctor as well.
Perfect. We're here today because we were asked by the Norfolk County District Attorney's Office to inquire or investigate your relationship with Julie and Christopher Albert. And that ask, to the best of my understanding, was in furtherance of the DA's office's obligation to fully disclose any exculpatory evidence or any evidence that could be considered to be exculpatory to defense counsel in advance of the trial of in the matter of Commonwealth v. Karen Reed. So that's why we're here. And we've conducted a few interviews of various people in furtherance of that ask prior to today, and we're sitting down with you today for that purpose. This is not, as we indicated, in furtherance of any personnel investigation or internal affairs investigation, but this interview is going to be provided to the District Attorney's Office and to Defense Counsel, and anything in that sphere can be provided to Internal Affairs. Do you understand that, Judge?
I do, sir, yes.
Any questions about any of that by either of you before we...
No, sir.
Okay.
No.
So we'll get into it. Have you ever provided a recorded or transcribed account of your relationship with Julie and Christopher Albert in any judicial proceeding or to any prosecutor, member of law enforcement, defense attorney, or private investigator?
Yes, sir.
And when was that?
When I testified at the federal grand jury.
And when was that?
February 2nd?
February of this year,
yes,
2024. Okay. And did that testimony generally include questions about how long you've known Julie and Christopher Albert?
Yes, sir.
Did it include questions about how often you communicate with Julie and Christopher Albert?
Yes, sir.
And by what means?
Yes, sir.
Did that testimony include questions about occasions that you've socialized with and or been in social settings with Julie and Christopher Albert?
It did, sir, yes.
Did that testimony ever address whether or not Julie or Christopher Albert have ever been to your home?
It did, sir, yes.
And did it address whether or not Julie Albert ever babysat your children?
Yes, sir.
And did it involve whether or not Julie Albert ever purchased a gift for you or your wife?
It did, sir, yes.
And did it involve questions regarding whether or not you provided Julie or Christopher Albert with information regarding the death of John O'Keefe?
It did, sir, yes.
Okay. Is there anything that you would like to add or clarify about your federal grand jury testimony regarding your relationship with Julie or Christopher Albert at this time?
No, sir. I don't have anything else to add from my statements and testimony from the federal grand jury.
Okay, thank you. Did Attorney DeStefano recently ask you to search your work and personal cell phones for text message communications with Julie and Christopher Albert?
Yes, sir.
And did this include a search for text message threads that Julie and or Christopher Albert were part of, even if they didn't contribute to the conversation?
Yes, sir.
And what was the result of that search?
My phone, my work and personal phone, set to auto delete after 30 days, so I wasn't able to locate any messages.
Captain Barrios?
I have no questions.
Do you have anything further that you'd like to add, or any questions at all?
I don't, sir.
No, thank you.
Okay, if there are no further questions, we'll conclude the interview. The time now is 11:16 a.m. Monday, April 8th, 2024.